Once upon a time, in the little town of Sunbeam Hollow, the sun had disappeared behind a curtain of gray clouds. The flowers drooped, and the laughter of children faded. Lily, a curious girl with sparkling eyes, gazed up at the sky, wishing for a glimpse of the sun. One day, as she wandered through the meadows, she noticed a soft, fluffy cloud drifting low. It seemed sad, losing its sparkle. Lily called out, "Hey there, cloud. Why do you look so gloomy?" The cloud floated closer, revealing a face full of raindrops. "I miss the sunshine, and without it, I can't shine either," it sighed. Determined to help her new friend, Lily had an idea. "Let's bring the sunshine back together." They devised a plan. Lily would gather colorful ribbons, and the cloud would collect glowing moonlight. As they worked side by side, laughter filled the air. With the ribbons fluttering and the moonlight shimmering, the cloud began to glow. Together, they danced across the sky until, at last, rays of golden sunlight broke through. Sunbeam Hollow sparkled again, and the cloud, now radiant, beamed with joy. Lily had not only brightened her town, but also formed an everlasting friendship with a cloud.